Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, and today I've got a really exciting Cybertruck to share with you. This is a custom build, and it was designed specifically for the founder of an AI tech company called Loot Mogul. Check them out. This is supposed to be an uplifting package, and a lot of details went into this. Let's first talk about the color change. This is all PPF. This is a two-tone PPF. He chose TMaxx film to put on here, and on the top half of this we have metallic psychedelic black, and on the bottom it's metallic lavender silver. And you are going to see, true to the name of these films, depending on what angle you're looking at the top of this truck, it could be black, it could be silver, it could be green. It's a shimmery metallic fade up here, and it literally looks different depending on where you see it, what angle you're at, and how the sun is hitting it. It is psychedelic to its core. That does it for the PPF across the truck. From there, we have a lot of accessories. We've got T-Sportline's LED light package up here. We've got the new side running boards bolted on. We've got carbon fiber mud flaps. This thing is ready to roll. Of course, window tint, want to have the front match the back, so we've got that done. AI tech company Loot Mogul, check this out. As part of what we do at T-Sportline, we can customize graphics, we can do your colors, your design, no big deal. We make this custom, we can put it anywhere on the truck. In this case, just a nice touch here on the tailgate. And that's pretty much it for the start of this build. Plan for phase 2, which is going to be the body kit, and we'll see what else we can do for the wheels. All right, everybody, hope you enjoyed checking this awesome build out. Give me a thumbs up if you guys dig this, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and come back soon. We've got a lot more Cybertrucks coming your way.